ਡਿੱਠੇ ਸੱਬੇ ਥਾਮ ਨਹੀਂ ਤੁਝੇ ਹਿਆ। ਵਾਹਿਗੁਰੂ ਜੀ ਕਾ ਖਾਲਸਾ, ਵਾਹਿਗੁਰੂ ਜੀ ਕੀ ਫਤਿਹ। Today we will talk about amazing facts about Golden Temple. The Golden Temple is located in the heart of city Amritsar and is a seamless blend of jaw-dropping architecture, warm hospitality and captivating peace. It attracts devotees from different corners of the globe. Standing tall in the middle of massive pool often gives an illusion that Golden Temple is floating in water. Here are 10 interesting facts that would blow your mind and bring you a step closer to this sacred place. The number one is the construction of Sri Harmandir Sahib was initiated by Sri Guru Arjan Dev Ji, the fifth Guru of Sikhs. He also designed the entire architecture. The construction started in the year 1581 and took almost 8 years to complete. Records show that Lord Buddha stayed at the sacred site of Golden Temple and declared this site as an ideal meditation ground for sadhus and saints. Baba Deep Singh Ji took an oath to breathe his last at Harmandir Sahib when Amritsar was invaded by Jahan Khan in 1757. And while fighting, Babaji's head was separated from the body. However, he held his head with one hand and fought with the enemies in order to reach the shrine and breathe his last. The foundation stone of Golden Temple was laid by a famous Sufi saint, Mian Mir, to spread the message that this Gurdwara is open to all faiths, irrespective of caste, creed or religion. The pool surrounding the Golden Temple is known as the Amrit Sarovar, and before offering prayers, devotees take bath in it. The Sikhs believe that spiritual possession can be gained by taking a dip in the holy water of sacred pool. The Golden Temple is uniquely set up at the lower level below the ground, and the stairs leading to the shrine go downwards. This distinct feature of Golden Temple signifies humble living. This Gurdwara was constantly attacked and destroyed by Mughal rulers, and in 1762 it was completely blown away. But during Sikh Empire, Maharaja Ranjit Singh Ji rebuilt it with marble and covered the sanctum with gold, which led it to be named as Golden Temple. In the 1990s, Golden Temple was renovated with 500 kilograms of 24-carat pure gold of the value of more than 130 crores approximately as of that time. It took 4 years to complete the renovation, starting from 1995 to 1999. The Langar Seva at Golden Temple is the largest free kitchen in the world and serves more than 50,000 meals a day, and all the food served here are donations from devotees. The regular task of cooking, cleaning as well as serving food is managed by the volunteers who work there for free of cost. To sum up, Golden Temple is a place of immense beauty where devotees visiting the shrine often feel a sense of calmness and contentment. The religious heritage spreads the message of equality and peace, and it's an inspiring tourist destination not only in the country but also across the globe. Vaheguru Ji Ka Khalsa, Vaheguru Ji Ki Fateh. Thanks for watching. Please like, share and comment, and don't forget to subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon for the notifications. Thank you so much.